Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you for taking the time to come hang out with me for a few minutes and see what we got in our BoxyCharm for February 2019. I'm excited to dive in here. BoxyCharm is one of my favorite subscriptions. For those of you that do not know, it is $21 a month and you receive, they say 4 to 5 full-size items, but we usually do always receive at least 5 items. And it's always valued at over $100. So it is definitely well worth the money and one of the best subscriptions in the market, and especially if you're trying to build up your makeup collection. So we were going to get unboxing here in just a minute. I just want to remind you guys, if you have not already, please do hit that subscribe button. We have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, and you may want to hit that notification bell because I am going to be doing live giveaways coming up. So definitely be checking that out. And as always, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I will leave a link down below if you have not already signed up for BoxyCharm and you would like to. So let's go ahead and see what February has in store for us. I'm so excited. Cannot wait. BoxyCharm is one of those subscriptions that is amazing. And even on the months that it's not like the best, it's still pretty awesome. So we open it up and we see here, there's always a card that tells you like the theme for the month, and then on the back it tells you the products and pricing. And this is what we see this month. I can already see one item that I'm so excited about. So we are going to set this down. And the theme is Afterglow. So there is that. And we are just going to get into it. The first item I'm going to pull up, I am so excited about. I have received samples of this item in my Ipsy or Birchbox. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. So this obviously is the full size. Like I said, I have received samples and this is an amazing primer. And this is $18. So I am very happy for this item. So we are off to a great start with BoxyCharm. So the next item I could already see, and I am like, yay! This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream. This is a $20 value, and I'm going to take the safety seal off because I have been waiting to smell this bad boy. I have the Bum Bum Boom Boom cream, whatever you want to call it, that's in like the yellow, and it is absolutely amazing. So I was so excited to see this in here. So we'll peel. Okay. Oh, that's what. Oh, okay. Let's just get some like that. Now this looks a little, I'm gonna read about this because this looks a little bit different than like the Bum Bum Boom Boom, however you want to say it, cream. It does smell really good, but I could definitely smell coconut. But then it almost has like a trying to think, like the jelly bean, the Jelly Belly, the buttered popcorn jelly bean. So, I mean, it smells good. It does kind of have a hint of like that buttered popcorn jelly bean smell. Anyway, let's see. Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana cream instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil in water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. Deliciously scented with their Charosa 39 fragrance with mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. So I think that's maybe where the praline and the vanilla latte or something. I don't know. But it does smell good. Don't get me wrong. So very excited for that item as well. The next item is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is absolutely amazing. I love this mascara. It is a $24 value. I actually have this mascara. I have 2 of them. So I'm going to put this into a giveaway for one of you guys. So if you have not tried this, you're going to love it. I promise. It really is one of the best mascaras. So that will be going into a giveaway for one of you guys. And then we got, what are you? What are you? This is from Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color Copper Foil. A super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. Ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. This is a $24 value. So there is that. It does look like it would be a very pretty color. However, I do not really care for shadow sticks like this. So this will be going into a giveaway as well. So we're gonna have some good giveaways coming up. And then we have one more item, and whoop, sticking to the styrofoam. This is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Bronzed Bee bronzer. This vegan matte bronzer powder gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish. Enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments, this bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. This is a $32 value. So let's take a look. That is a really pretty color. Like, it's not too dark. Like, that is really pretty. And I think the packaging is really cute. So I'm very excited for that. So all in all, this is an amazing month for BoxyCharm. I am a little surprised that we did not receive a palette. We do normally always receive a palette, but I still think we got a great assortment of products, and definitely worth the value. So, and for those of you that do, sometimes people want to know, I had variation 1, because there can be variations, usually, 2 or 3 of the items everyone receives, and then there may be a couple that, like I said, are variations, and they could just be color variations, or it could be, totally different products. So, but yeah, so that was the Afterglow theme for February 2019 with BoxyCharm. Again, this is one of the best subscriptions out there, especially if you are trying to, like I said earlier, build up a makeup collection or just add to one. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's BoxyCharm. Do you get BoxyCharm? Were you happy with the items you received? Were there any variations on the actual products that you received? Let me know. And again, don't forget to enter that 1,500 subscriber giveaway and hit that notification bell once you've subscribed so you know when I go live for the giveaways. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for talking with me for a few minutes. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I will talk with you later.